Hi you guys, today I'm very excited. I wanted to do something different for you guys. I wanted to review this eyeshadow palette from ILUVSARAHI, and she collaborated with Dose of Colors to create this beautiful and small handy eyeshadow palette. It's really pretty. The cover of the eyeshadow palette, it's really nice. It's green. It reminds me of the Caribbean a little bit, so which I really like. It's just festive. And pretty much it's a great size that you can easily fit in your handbag. And since I'm always on the go and I really want to have something to look at really quickly to do any touch-ups, it's a perfect size. So basically it's stated here that it's gluten-free and cruelty-free. So let's take a look at this little baby. So pretty much I love the fact that she has 6 of these eyeshadow shades inside of it. It's very nice. She has a variety of shades. I do like the fact that she has different shimmery colors. It's a dark shimmery black shade, and it's very creamy if you touch it. Oh, look at that. Very pigmented. I love that. And then also you have this beautiful aqua blue shade. Look at this on my fingertip. It's very pigmented. I love that. And then we have the light little orangey tone. Look at that right there. And then we have, let's take a look, this nice dark orangey tone. Look at this. Oh, those colors are very pretty, and it's very creamy. So this will make sure it will stick on your eyelid, because believe me, when it's loose powder, I feel like it's everywhere. It's flying everywhere. So I like it when it's very creamy. So then we have the shimmery gold. Oh, look at that. It's very creamy indeed. Look at this shimmery shade. Wow. And then get the last one and put it on the bottom right there. Look at that. Oh, look how really shimmery. It's kind of like a white, a little bit of brownish or grayish. I think it's a grayish shade, but it's also shimmery. So if I must say that she has 4 of them that are very shimmery and 2 of them that are matte shades. So you have a lot of choices and to select from. Plus, guess what? You can create a lot of different eyeshadow looks. So I pretty much like it. The fact that it has these shimmery tones, I love shimmery shades. It makes my skin pop, and it makes your eyeshadow really come out. So it's really nice. And then what's the best part is it has a little mirror also. I love the mirror. I can't say anything yet because I haven't tried it yet. So what I'm going to do right now for you guys is I'm going to try it on and see how it actually, appear on my skin tone. So let's take a look and we're going to get started. 40 blending brush. I just gently go and apply it in the outer area of my eyelid. And I go back and forth. This is just basically as a transition color. I'm going to go ahead and use this shade, which is called the Wanderlust Exact Blend E32 brush. So I'm going to go ahead and just place it right here at the outer corner of my lid, right where the crease is. And just go and just literally press it. And once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and blend it away, to make it fit in together with my transition color. You want it, and this will really work great. And when you look at it, it's not just like blob. I can see the streaks, I can see everything on there. She didn't blend it, and it will look messy. So we don't want that. So you're trying to make it from light to dark. I'm going to do the same with my other eye. And and make it the halo look that I said. Because we're not going to worry about it if it comes in the middle, if we are applying the Wanderlust shade in the middle of my lid, because I'm going to cover it with another shade. But we just want to make sure that we get what we want. So I'm going to go ahead and blend it away so that this transition color that was previously applied can easily blend with the Wanderlust shade. So it's not just like a big blob sitting there. You don't want to see that line. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get my E20, which is a short shader brush, and I'm going to take this nice little shimmery black right here, this one. I'm going to try that. I'm going to apply that on the entire lid. We're going to try to make this look. You know, you see a little bit, as you can see that little shimmery glitter. It's not too glittery though, but you can still see it, look. And it's pretty. When I open my eyes, you can see it right there, that if I open it, you will not see my black eye shade. No, you're not going to see it. See, it's gone. So I want to put it a little bit above that crease right there. See, where I tap it, this way I can still see it. And I just love the spark. Look at all the little glitter. It's not too much, because I feel like if you apply it, look, you don't really see it. It's just a little bit. So see, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of the loungy, and then we're gonna put it right there again. This way we can blend it together. You want to bring it inside, not out, otherwise it will. Right, I cleaned the side of my eyes a little bit with some concealer, and look at it, how it really makes your eyes pop. So that's what we want. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit of more glitter, because look, can you see it? I want it to really show. What I did is I added the green glittery shade underneath my eyes, as you can tell right there, and then I added a little bit on top of that. So I like to see more, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more on my lid. Yeah, we want to just everybody, this is the final look. I'm very happy with this cat eye, green, fall, all this together. It's just an amazing palette. I really am satisfied with it. It's a really good selection of colors and shimmery shades and matte shades. The majority were 4 shimmery shades, and they were very pigmented. I love it, and it's in a good size. It comes in six eyeshadow colors, and I must say I'm very happy with this palette. I will be definitely using this again. And if you like this look, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see other looks, let me know down in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do. And until next time, have a fantastic day. Bye-bye, everybody.